news center in high definition. This is News Channel 8 on your side at 11.
Florida's Attorney General is quick to make the public aware of his accomplishments, issuing numerous press releases and advisories daily. But something you probably have not caught wind of yet is an agreement Bill McCollum reached with the Orkin man. The AG opened its investigation after a series of Target 8 reports exposed a pattern of Orkin problems. Tonight, senior investigative reporter Steve Andrews tells us there's probably a good reason McCollum's office issued no press release on this one.
And so I guess if you conclude an investigation with that kind of result, you sure don't want to publicize it.
Attorney Pete Cardillo makes a living suing the Orkin man. He says a settlement reached between the state and the bug company is ridiculous, and Florida's Attorney General Bill McCollum should be embarrassed.
How have they helped the consumer?
I don't think they've helped the consumer at all.
In 2004, then Attorney General Charlie Crist launched an investigation into Orkin following a series of Target 8 reports that documented a pattern of failed termite treatments in Bay Area homes and deception by Orkin. Our investigation revealed evidence like this videotaped deposition where former Orkin manager Jamie Ryan testified in the early 90s he witnessed Orkin fake a fumigation of Hillsborough High School.
They took empty cylinders down to Hillsborough High School and made it look like there was a fumigation going on.
Our investigation found a pattern of problems. Evidence shows by the late 90s, Orkin employees forged the names of customers on forms showing their homes were re-inspected for termite activity.
I did not sign one of these, so obviously they forged my signature.
Former Orkin customer Mike Hildebrand was one of those. Former Orkin employee Fred Beeman confirmed the activity.
We were basically told to sign off on these. We were signing people's names.
By 2004, the AG's investigation focused on the re-inspection tickets and Orkin's failure to use licensed contractors to repair termite-damaged homes. The 4-year investigation ended quietly in March. No press release, no fanfare, just this agreement, where Orkin promises to send in licensed contractors to make sure the repair work on customers' homes was done up to code. If it wasn't, Orkin pays for repairs or restitution. As for re-inspections,
They are promising to do visual re-inspections. Hasn't that always been the policy?
Sure, it's been the policy, and it's been the promise, and that's a promise they've broken over and over again. Now they're making basically the same promise again.
They've agreed to abide by certain standards, and we're actually very proud of those standards because previously they didn't have those state-enforced standards to abide by.
Proud? They're proud of this? In this agreement Bill McCollum's office signed, Orkin admits to nothing. It promises to keep promises it's already broken. And talk about a bang for your buck. Orkin agreed to pay the state $80,000 for attorneys and investigative fees. It only costs us $200,000 to collect. In Tampa, Steve Andrews, News Channel 8.
Orkin issued a statement saying it is extremely pleased with the outcome, is glad to put this behind it, and the company did not violate the law in any way.